Hey, it's Andy here from T and Andy. And before we get started with this product review, you need to go subscribe to us. We have so many products to review and there are actually really great finds. You don't want to miss it. So hit that subscribe button right now so you get all our updates.
If you guys know us, you know that we love saving money. And one thing that we did specifically when we went on our bike packing trip was that we didn't buy all the expensive brands. We looked into what we needed and then looked at some more affordable options. So in today's product review, we're really excited to introduce you to Unigear. Thank you, Unigear, for reaching out to us. We're so excited to be able to showcase your products because they are absolutely fantastic. So who is Unigear and what are they all about? As we mentioned, they are an affordable gear company. And just like us, they focus on getting outdoors. In a world where we're surrounded by monitors and desks and sitting in front of screens, what they focus on is going outside, enjoying nature, and breathing some fresh air. So we're really excited to be reviewing 3 of their products today. The first being this absolutely amazing hammock. Woo! So the first product that Unigear has sent us is a single person hammock. And this is probably the easiest hammock we have ever set up in our lives. It came with just 3 pieces. 2 ropes that are actually really sturdy, sewn together, and have different size pocket holes to put your carabiner in that you're going to use to wrap around the tree. The third piece that came is the actual hammock, and as you can see here, the bag is actually sewn in. So this entire hammock was in this tiny bag, and all I had to do was undo it. From there, you simply choose the trees that you want to hang your hammock on, loop your hammock thread or string through the hole, and attach your carabiners, which also came as part of the hammock. It literally took us 5 minutes to set this up, and it's super sturdy, as you can totally tell. Oh, so comfortable, but I should really go see what Andy's up to. Come on.
Ready to go on our hike?
Do you have the water?
Yep, let's go. Okay, so the second piece of gear that we're reviewing today is a water containing device. It's actually something I've been looking to get for my longer biking trips. And it's a little camel pack that is very tight to the body, like this one. So I've been looking for something like this for quite a bit. It's basically a backpack that is literally just for a water bladder, and Unigear sent one to us. I'm actually quite impressed with this. As you can see, it is very compact right to your body, and that is very important when you want to keep a lot of the weight to yourself. The water bladder, which comes as part of the package, has a 1-year warranty on it, and it comes with all the little trinkets that you can possibly want. It carries 2 liters worth of water, and it also comes with a little whistle. I'm very much looking forward to using this on our hike. Ever since that Puerto Rico incident where we got caught in the rainforest and it became torrential downpour, we're obsessed with keeping things dry. I've been dying to get this product that Unigear sent us for a couple of years now, and I just never pulled the trigger on it. So when I saw that they actually have dry bags that's waterproof, I was very excited to try it out. They sent us the 20-liter version, which is perfect because it's small enough to fit into all our backpacks. So let's take a look at it. It comes in a pretty nice packaging. There's a bag, a strap, and it even comes with a little phone case so Tia won't drop her phone in the river again. And even if she does, you'll be okay. The dry bag itself does turn into sort of a backpack with the strap, and it has a ring on the bottom and also rings on the top. You fold it 3 to 5 times down after stuffing it, and you're good to go. So let's check it out. So what essentially I got here is my rain jacket and our electronics bag. This is pretty much what we bring on every single one of our outings, regardless what it is. So I'm just going to pop these things in here, roll down the top 5 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, and clip. And now I'm going to take the straps, put it on, and bam, it turns into a backpack. It's really quite comfortable.
All right, the moment of truth.
The moment of truth. This is indeed something to keep our stuff dry. So let's see how waterproof it is. Tia, will you do the honors?
All right, we've got our water bottle here with water in it. It's actually water, it'll make you wet. Are you ready for this?
Make sure we get it right on the seam.
Well, I hope this is actually waterproof because our electronics are in here. Let's take a look. You can see that the water does wick right off the bag, which is a really good sign that it's not seeping through the material. So that's always a good start. The real question is going to be at the seam. Now, one thing to keep in mind, a lot of people actually do this wrong. You do have to make sure that you roll it the correct amount of times. If you don't, you do risk water getting into any dry bag of any brand. So, let's wipe it off a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside looks relatively dry. There's no water in there at all. And our electronics bag.
We didn't even close the bag.
Is okay. This is how much we trust Unigear. It's a great dry bag. I think this is going to become a staple in our travel gear.
All right, so those are the three things that we got from Unigear. It's pretty amazing. Obviously, this is a initial reaction and we haven't been able to really put the items through its paces. However, I can tell you, well, except for the hammock, because I don't have that much experience in hammocks, the other two items are really good quality. They also all come with this card, which has a 1-year warranty on it. It doesn't specifically say what is covered under the warranty, but judging by the fact that there's no fine print, I'm gonna say that it's pretty good coverage. So thanks Unigear for sending us all of the stuff. We will be definitely featuring them in our upcoming trips because they really are pretty amazing things. Thanks for watching.
Now get out of the hammock, it's my turn.
Okay.